Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Retscreen is installed and updated, and you have site climate and tariff data. Open Retscreen and create a new project. Choose the correct model, clean energy or expert, because that determines available inputs. Once done, enter location to auto-download climate, then add system capacity in kW and commissioning date. This seeds performance defaults. Make sure to save the project file immediately so you don't lose the baseline configuration and can proceed to data inputs. Now you go deeper. Input technical specifications like module efficiency, inverter efficiency, and system losses because those control energy yield. Then import measured hourly or monthly generation or load data so Retscreen can calibrate model performance. Measured data improves accuracy substantially. After that, set site parameters, tilt, azimuth, shading, and weather source, then run a preliminary simulation to compare modeled and measured outputs. If numbers diverge, tweak loss factors and rerun until the model aligns within an acceptable margin. Finish by completing the financial inputs. Enter capital costs, O&M, incentives, discount rate, and project life so Retscreen can compute NPV and payback. This shows project viability. Once calculated, generate the energy, GHG reduction, cash flow, and sensitivity reports to communicate results. If outputs look wrong, check common issues: unit mismatches, incorrect climate file or time zone, and missing hourly data. Correcting those usually resolves errors. Finally, rerun the analysis and save version project files for auditability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.